just put a filler block here on this side, so it matches up with the side wall. And I just cut 2 small pieces. That should be more than sufficient, and I'll glue that to it. That looks good. Then some holes, some more holes. I'm putting some urethane on the exposed parts of the upper cabinets, all in an effort to prevent moisture from getting into my wood. I still have to put together a small door in the cabinet because it got 3 holes where those baskets are coming, and one to the right is for some equipment which is not easily accessible, so I close that off. So I need to make 1 door, and that's what I'll start with. Just adding a little piece of Formica. Now I have to put this filler block in this corner, so I glue that in. Let's see how that works. Fairly nice, I think. I'll leave it this way. Now it can dry overnight, and tomorrow I continue with the door next to it. Finally, I still need some of the dark brown blackish color, which I ran out of, so I'm I got a new 8x4 sheet, and that is for part of the bottom of the upper cabinet. Now I'm building a small temporary jig for my rails, these aluminum rails that I'll be building in my upper cabinets. That's just to locate them exactly the same at every location. So what I'll do is I'll clamp this at the location, flush, and then I should have my pilot hole. And this has to be a through hole. Okay, then I got these aluminum rails, dowels, or whatever you want to call them, and just have to put them in there. Okay, that works. And the second one I have to cut it to size. Okay, then I got the second piece, the short piece. That's that. And then I'll use a little bit of super glue. Okay, then I got my railing here. Just very simple, but it's quite effective, I think. And this will be my basket that goes into each of these. And that works fine. The only thing that I still have to do before installing the upper cabinets is to add some Formica strips on the front. Okay, now that I'm finishing up these upper cabinets, I still have a removable backsplash, let me call it that way, that I can install here. If I remove those, I can access cabling behind there on the wall. I made a small jig again, in fact the same jig as before, to locate those holes at a consistent distance. So first, just do it by hand, it's not that critical. that is fine. So I can glue this in, and then later on push the bottom laminate against it. Okay, I've got it largely done now, so I'm now preparing for the installation. So I've been cleaning some things up. The front is a high gloss Formica, and that's always covered with these plastic protection, and that's something I'm gonna remove now. Yeah, next step is putting it in the van. Okay. Hi guys, this is Joey, and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.